What makes a car truly iconic? Is it the power, the design, or something more, a feeling? The 2026 Toyota GR Supra isn't just a car, it's an experience. Engineered for exhilaration, with a proven track record in Formula D within the United States and the International GT4 Series, GR Supra delivers exceptional handling and power, making every drive an event. It's a machine crafted for those who live for the thrill. A testament to Akio Toyota's passion. It's a car that ignites the soul, a true embodiment of pure driving passion. Beneath the sculpted hood of the GR Supra roars a turbocharged 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, a symphony of power available with either lightning-fast 8-speed automatic or the engaging precision of a 6-speed intelligent manual transmission. Unleash the intensity with 382 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds with the automatic transmission. GR Supra's Mark V Final Edition elevates the driving experience to an art form. It's not just connected to the road, it's fused with it. Upgraded dampers, fortified control arm bushings, a rock-solid reinforced rear suspension mount, and meticulously added chassis bracing creates an unforgettable dance of man and machine. Further refined grade-specific differential control and exclusive control mapping specifically tailored for the Mark V Final Edition optimize traction, delivering improved grip and inspiring driver confidence through every turn. Revised front and rear wheel camber angles sharpen cornering grip and enhance stability, allowing you to carve through turns with confidence. The rear-wheel drive configuration, the razor-sharp active rear sport differential, finely tuned adaptive variable suspension orchestrate a masterpiece of control and agility. The unwavering hold of the standard Brembo front brakes ensures a complete, exhilarating driving experience that resonates deep within. Larger front brake rotors and calipers in the GR Supra Mark V Final Edition deliver precise and powerful stopping, designed to help enhance responsiveness and improve braking capability. Supra's design is a reflection of its performance-driven nature. It's sculpted, aerodynamic, and instantly recognizable. The wide stance, balanced proportion, and track-inspired wheelbase contribute to the high-speed stability and razor-sharp handling. 19-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires provides both eye-catching style and tenacious grip. And the standard active catback exhaust system? It lets the world know you're coming. The Mark V Final Edition elevates the Supra experience with meticulously curated details. Discover the subtle aggression of a matte black rear Supra emblem. Protect your investment with a distinctive GR camo car cover. Inside, enjoy the tactile refinement of a GR cup holder cover and special edition interior badge. Each element a testament to the Supra legacy. For the motorsport aficionado, the available GT4 style pack pays homage to the GR Supra GT4 Evo 2 race car, featuring a striking GT4-inspired side graphic, a sleek matte finish carbon fiber ducktail spoiler, and vibrant red exterior mirror caps. Completing the package are 2 exclusive exterior colors, Burnout and Undercover, ensuring your Mark V Final Edition commands attention whether stationary or in motion. The GR Supra's interior is designed with the driver in mind. Supportive seats help keep the driver firmly in place, whether cruising or carving corners. This exceptional stability becomes even more vital when experiencing the complimentary National Autosports Association high-performance driving experience, where GR Supra drivers can find even more thrills. Personalized comfort with dual-zone automatic climate control. Available sport pedals and the Final Edition's red seat belts ignite the senses, amplifying GR Supra's sporty spirit. The standard digital gauge cluster and available head-up display are designed to help put all the essential information right in the driver's line of sight. An available wireless charger helps keep devices powered up, further enhancing the driver-focused experience. Stay connected in the 2026 GR Supra. The audio multimedia system features a standard 8.8-inch touchscreen with available navigation and intuitive controls. And for seamless smartphone integration, it can be optioned with wireless Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including maps, messages, podcasts, and music subscriptions. Plus an available 3-month SiriusXM trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin. And even more on the SiriusXM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. For a truly immersive audio experience, the available 12-speaker JBL Premium Surround Sound System delivers exceptional sound quality. Performance is enhanced by confidence. Every GR Supra comes with pre-collision system and pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with steering assist, and automatic high beams. Available features like full-speed dynamic radar cruise control, blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert, and parking sensors are designed to help provide added peace of mind, providing a feeling of confidence behind the wheel. The 2026 Toyota GR Supra. It's an invitation to experience the thrill of the drive, to connect with the machine, and to unleash a passion for performance. Plus, every Supra includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, alongside 2 years of unlimited mileage, 24-hour roadside assistance. Every new GR Supra comes with a complimentary 1-year membership to the National Auto Sport Association, including a free high-performance driving experience. Explore the thrill at Toyota.com.